Fujitsu would like to thank you for your investment in our products and services. This video has been provided to assist you in properly caring for your Fujitsu FI6800 document scanner. Routine cleaning. Your Fujitsu FI6800 scanner is built for high speed and sustainable reliability, and you can help maintain daily peak performance by adopting a routine cleaning regimen that takes only a few minutes to complete. We'll start by cleaning all of the consumables in the scanner. This includes the brake roller, the two pick rollers, and the separation roller. These rollers can be ordered individually or as part of a ScanAid kit that also includes authorized cleaning supplies designed specifically for your Fujitsu document scanner. Before beginning, power off the scanner from the front panel as well as the back and remove any paper from the chute or hopper. First, open the automatic document feeder or ADF by lowering the hopper and pressing the lever on the right-hand side and lifting upward until the FI6800 is fully open. The consumables are located on the upper section as well as the lower section. This video will show you how to clean all the consumables while in place in the scanner, but for deeper cleaning, you may find it easier to remove them from the scanner. See the consumable replacement segment of this video for instruction on how to remove and replace the consumables in the FI6800. Starting in the upper section, the pick rollers are located above and the separation roller beneath. Take note of whether the pick roller assembly is in the up or manual feed position, or whether it's in the down or continuous feed position. Starting with the pick rollers, with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth, wipe the surface of each pick roller while moving them in a downward rotation to expose their entire surface area. Next, clean the separation roller in the same fashion. With F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth, clean the surface of the separation roller while rotating it in a downward motion. For best results, wipe in the direction of the grooves. Before proceeding, ensure the pick roller assembly is back in its original position. If in doubt, down is the normal or continuous feed position for the FI6800. Next, clean the brake roller by applying F1 cleaner to a lint-free cloth and wiping the surface of the roller while rotating it in a downward motion to expose its entire surface area. Now that the consumables are clean, take a moment to wipe off all the surface areas inside the paper path. Never spray F1 cleaner directly into the scanner or onto scanner parts. And avoid the use of compressed air, as this may push contamination further into the scanner beyond your reach to clean. Using a lint-free cloth with F1 cleaner applied to it, first wipe the broad areas along the top section and then the bottom section. With F1 cleaner applied to a fresh lint-free cloth, wipe along the glass surfaces, starting on the top section and then along the bottom section. Keeping this area clean will help eliminate image quality problems produced by paper dust and other contamination that may appear as lines or streaks on your images. And that's it. Ensure everything is closed and plugged in properly. Restore power by way of the switch on the back as well as the power button on the front. You're now ready to start scanning once again. For information on how to perform additional cleaning for higher production environments, see the Periodic Maintenance Cleaning chapter for details. For more information related to ScanAid kits, technical assistance, and service contracts, please visit us online. Consumable replacement. Fujitsu scanners are built for longevity, and operators can maintain peak performance by replacing the consumable rollers before they reach the end of their expected life. This segment will cover the steps in replacing the end-user replaceable consumables in the Fujitsu FI6800 document scanner. The consumables consist of two pick rollers, one separation roller, and one brake roller. Because these consumables work as a system, Fujitsu recommends replacing all of the consumables at the same time to maximize their efficiency and longevity. Before beginning, Power off the scanner by pressing the power button for 5 seconds or until it is no longer illuminated, and remove paper from the chute or hopper. Open the automatic document feeder or ADF by lowering the hopper tray and then depressing the lever on the right-hand side and lifting upward. The consumables are located on the upper section as well as the lower section of the FI 6800. Starting with the upper section, take note of the position of the pick roller unit and place it into the down or continuous feed position. Open the pick roller compartment and slide off the 2 identical pick rollers by pinching the clasps that face outward. After placing them to the side, pull down on the levers on the right and left-hand sides and pull the separation roller assembly out of the scanner. Now replace the separation roller with a new one by pivoting the metal end into the gap on the right side and nestling it back into place. Be sure to return both levers back into the up position to secure the separation roller in the scanner. Next, install new pick rollers by sliding them back onto their axles. Make sure that the clasps on the rollers face outward so that they snap securely into place. If the compartment door doesn't reclose, reseat the consumables to ensure they are installed correctly and try again. Also, return the pick roller assembly to its original position. If in doubt, down is the normal continuous feed position for the FI 6800. Now that the consumables have been replaced on the upper section, we'll move to the brake roller on the lower section. Open the brake roller compartment and pull out the roller by pivoting the left end outward. Now install a new brake roller by pivoting the right end into the forked phalange and then lowering the left end into place. You may need to rotate it slightly to seat the flattened tip properly into its cradle. Finish by closing the compartment door to ensure it is installed correctly. That's it. Ensure everything is closed and plugged in properly. Restore power by way of the switch on the back as well as the power button on the front. And now you're ready to start scanning once again. Your Fujitsu scanner is engineered for high performance and reliability. Keeping replacement consumables on hand can help ensure operators remain productive. For additional information related to scan aid kits, technical assistance, and service contracts, please visit Fujitsu online. Periodic maintenance cleaning. The FI 6800 employs cutting-edge technologies to perform advanced paper handling functions, and operators can take additional measures to help ensure these features perform optimally. Before we begin, periodic maintenance cleaning can take about 10 minutes and consists of cleaning the optical sensors, ultrasonic sensors, optical glass covers, feed rollers, surface areas, and finally, the paper ejection sensors. We'll start by cleaning the 6 sets of feed rollers located on the upper section and the 6 sets of rollers on the lower section. Starting with the upper section, with F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth, clean along the surface of each roller, rotating it to expose the entire surface area. The feed rollers are permanent rollers and ensure a smooth transition for paper as it passes through the scanner. Next, we'll clean the 2 optical glass covers located on the upper and lower sections. This can take a little practice in order to become proficient, so take your time if this is new to you. We'll start with the upper section. Using your fingers, loosen the screw until the end of the cover detaches from the scanner. Now, push the assembly slightly to the right and detach the right side from the 2 catches holding it into place. Now that the glass cover is removed, you can see more clearly the 2 square openings that allow the stationary catches to hold the right end of the optical glass cover into place. Using F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth, clean away any paper dust that may have accumulated. To place the optical glass cover back into the scanner, work in reverse order by pivoting the right end into place first and then sliding the cover slightly left to allow the catches on the right to enter the grooves while allowing the left end to seat properly into place. Tighten the screw with your fingers until the cover is securely fastened to the scanner. Moving to the lower section optical glass cover, Loosen the screw on the right with your fingers and lift the end upward. Slide the cover slightly right to free the catches from the right end grooves and lift it out of the scanner. Clean the inside of the glass using F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth. Now, return it to the scanner in reverse order by inserting the left end first and then sliding it slightly right. This allows the catches to enter the grooves on the right while allowing the left end to be seated properly. Now, tighten the screw with your fingers to secure the cover in place. Next, we'll clean the optical sensors starting with the 16 upper section sensors located here. Clean each sensor by applying F1 cleaner to a Q-tip as shown. Optical sensors track the location of paper passing through the scanner, and keeping them clean ensures optimal detection. To reach the last 4 sensors easier, it's best to open the separation compartment to clean them. Next, clean the other 16 optical sensors located here on the lower section. Clean each one using F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth as shown. Fujitsu ScanAid kits can be purchased individually or provided along with the Fujitsu service contract. Besides consumables, the kit includes all the cleaning materials operators will need to clean the scanner, such as Q-tips, lint-free cloth, and F1 cleaner. Next, clean the 6 ultrasonic sensors located on the upper and lower sections. Clean each sensor by applying F1 cleaner to a long length Q-tip. Ultrasonic sensors detect the airspace between documents and assist operators in safeguarding against lost images due to multi-feeds. With the sensors and covers wiped clean, this is a good opportunity to clean the entire surface areas along the paper path for both the upper and lower sections using F1 cleaner applied to a lint-free cloth. It's best to clean the upper section first since particles may drop down and settle on the lower section. Pay additional attention to the glass surface areas since line-producing contamination located on these transparent surfaces can impact image quality the most. We'll finish up by cleaning the 4 exit sensors located here in the paper ejection section using F1 cleaner applied to a Q-tip. And that's it. Ensure all the compartments are closed, that all the cables are properly plugged in, and that the power switch on the back as well as the power button on the front are set to the on position. You're now ready to start scanning once again with your Fujitsu FI6800 scanner. Once again, thank you for your investment in Fujitsu. For additional information related to ScanAid kits, technical assistance, and service contracts, please visit us online.